All right, good morning and welcome to this analysis. Okay, today is March 21st, 2026. Remember, it starts today. Okay, let me start afresh. Today is Saturday, March 21st, 2026. So, we've been analyzing volatility 75. And just if you don't know these assets I'm actually analyzing, you can actually share the description. I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram. And of course, from the Telegram, you have access to this broker. So, you can actually open an account with them. They're actually available worldwide. All right, so 75 1 seconds, market the recent levels. The next level. Alright, so that's what's going on. Alright, so we having this. If the market happens to close now, take note of this. You expect to get here, but then entry comes up. So let me do this first. So entry comes up on the buy from here. So you can now go up and target and put stop loss are here. I think that's clear enough. So please take note of that. So entry comes up here, then take profits can be as high as possible, probably 1:2 is too high. Photo 1:6 should be the minimum. But then you can actually choose to go higher. But then remember, if it happens that you start seeing the market taking this out, going below this, then you can actually think of going short. Otherwise, this is the entry we are expecting because this is actually a bullish trade and it has been bullish for some days now. Let me go to the far chart so you can see a better view of what I'm talking about. So you can see it has been bullish for some days now. So if you have to take this level, combine it with this, you can see that it's actually still very much bullish. So if you actually get anything below this level, they can actually think, okay, the market is ready to continue going, what is it called, bearish. So that I say it's actually still very much, you can see it's still making series of higher highs and higher lows. So except if it happens to break below this and start showing signs of breaking and continuing bearish, that's what you can just think of going bearish on volatility 75 1 second. So let's see what really happens when it gets to this zone right here. Okay, so let's go to 75. Okay, on 75, that's always been bullish, but then I'm not really comfortable with this formation. So I've just been marking out some levels and waiting to see what happens with the market actually gets those levels out. So these are the level I'll be waiting for the market actually get out. So I look for my entry above this, my shorts above this. So let's see which of them happens. But inside this zone, I'm not thinking of taking entry because any of them can happen. The market can choose to go side, they can choose to go bullish to this, they can choose to go bearish. So but if it's actually break above that, I can look for long trades, and then if it should break below that, look for short trades to this next low right here. Let me see market. So I believe for next low to this next level right here. So for now, let's see what really happened in this zone. That's what determines what we do next on Polar 75 1 second. So let's go to the boom index. We'll be starting off the boom 500. All right. If I was to be bearish, so our bearish trade only comes up right here. But close to this support right. So let's see if we can actually go below that support. Then we look for bearish trade. Otherwise, if it gets here and starts showing signs of bullish trade, they can actually look for bullish trade. But for now, this is already bearish. We are looking for bearish trade. So we expect actually go below this, then continue moving bearish. Okay, so let's go to the C bump, but then we're looking at the boom 1000. Since today's trade is actually straightforward, the chart patterns are always are just too good. But let me not use the word too good. I like they're not stress free, they just let me use that word. They're just there. Alright, so breaking below is actually a good bearish sign, but then the candlestick formation right here are not really giving bullish bearish setups yet. The formation, I'm not really comfortable with the formation. So I won't be looking for any entry. I say I go to 15-minute chart and see a good entry. So let's do that already. So let's see what's really happening on the 15-minute chart, which then determines what we're going to be doing. Alright. So you can see this market around this level seems to just be moving up and down, up and down. So let's see what really happens. So if you can see a good bullish move, then you can think of going long, or a good bearish move, you think of going short. Okay, so let's go to the crash index. We'll be starting off the crash 500. Remember the first time I come across this video, we do this every single day, just analysis on not just the synthetic but also the forex market. And remember from next month we also be dropping. Remember this actually comes up just once a month where we drop out the stocks we'll be looking at each single month. Each single month we have some stocks and I'll be telling you why we'll be taking those stocks or why we'll be buying those stocks. Alright, that's it. Let's go into the crash, our technical aspects. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what is going on there. Okay, currently bullish, then we just see it taking out this internal level. Let's go back to 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on. Alright. So here's my entry. Alright, so here's my entry on crash 500. Okay, I think good. We have a long way to go, so at least this is actually still good. So here's my entry on crash 500. So let's go to the final one, which is then the crash 1000. Looking very bearish on the 15-minute chart. Let's see what really is going on. Is it really bearish? Yes, it's actually very bearish. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Looking for continuations. Then it seems to be losing momentum. If you are judging with this candlesticks right here, you can see it's currently losing momentum. So for now, I won't be doing on crash 1000. Say I see a major pullback for me to go, but for now, I'm not doing anything on crash 1000. Alright, that's it. That brings to the end of the analysis with Derry. Just like I said earlier, the broker is Derry. Because you're not familiar with them, you can share the description. I believe in a link to my Telegram. From the Telegram, you have access to the link which is registering. And of course, that link gives you some extra privilege and some extra bonuses. That's it. I wish you a profitable day trader here. Please ensure you stay safe, trade safe, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.